a short story, Shadow Hearts, by Oxford Reading University, level B1.
Part 2. You'll find Part 1 in the description. Listen to the story and answer the questions at the end. Blair tightened her grip on the dagger. She had heard stories about Lucian, how he was the most powerful vampire in the city. He had killed many hunters before. "Why did you save me?" she asked. Lucian gave a small smile. "Because we have a common enemy." Blair frowned. "The werewolves?" Lucian nodded. "They do not follow the old rules anymore. They grow stronger, wilder. They want war, and they will kill anyone in their way, even me." Blair still did not trust him, but she knew he was right. The werewolves had never hunted like this before. Something was different. A loud bang echoed through the church. The werewolves had found them. Lucian moved fast. In the blink of an eye, he stood by the door. "Stay back," he warned. Blair was not one to hide. She stepped forward, ready to fight. The doors burst open, and the werewolves rushed in, their teeth bared. Lucian moved like a shadow. With one swift motion, he grabbed the first werewolf and threw it across the room. Blair slashed her dagger at another, cutting its arm. The creature howled in pain but did not stop. The fight was fierce. Claws and fangs flashed in the dim light. Blair dodged, attacked, and blocked. Lucian fought beside her, faster and stronger than she had ever seen before. Finally, the last werewolf fell. The church was silent again. Blair wiped the sweat from her forehead. "It's over," she said. Lucian shook his head. "No, this is just the beginning." Blair looked at him. "What do you mean?" Lucian sighed. "The werewolves are changing. They are no longer just wild beasts. Someone is leading them." Blair felt a chill. "Who?" Lucian's red eyes met hers. "A hunter." Blair froze. "That's impossible." Lucian stepped closer. "Think. The werewolves were too strong tonight. They knew where you would be. Someone told them." Blair's mind raced. There was only one person who knew her mission. Commander Alden, the leader of the Order. "No," she whispered. "He would never betray us." Lucian's expression was grim. "Then why are you the only hunter left?" Blair's heart ached. Could it be true? Had Alden led them into a trap? She looked at Lucian. "What now?" Lucian smiled, but it was not a kind smile. "Now you choose. Stay with the Order and die, or join me and survive." Blair took a deep breath. She was a hunter. She had trained all her life to fight vampires. But tonight, a vampire had saved her, and the Order had left her to die. She looked at Lucian, her dagger still in her hand. "I don't trust you," she said, "but I will find the truth." Lucian nodded. "Good. Then let's begin." Together, they stepped into the night, where danger and secrets waited in the shadows. Quiz time. Did you understand the story well? Answer the following questions to check. 1. Why does Lucian say he saved Blair? A. Because he wants to be friends with her. B. Because they have a common enemy. C. Because he is afraid of her. Answer. B. Because they have a common enemy. 2. What surprise does Lucian reveal to Blair? A. The werewolves are being led by a hunter. B. The werewolves are actually friendly. C. The Order wants to help the werewolves. Answer. A. The werewolves are being led by a hunter. 3. What choice does Lucian give Blair at the end? A. To stay with the Order or join him. B. To fight the werewolves alone or run away. C. To return home or become a vampire. Answer. A. To stay with the Order or join him. How many did you answer right? Tell us in the comments.
If you are not subscribed to our channel, you'll be missing out on our new videos. Like and subscribe to get more English audiobooks like this. And now, check out another story.